Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this partition. You see the hole inside the banner and the circle here. It's very simple. Okay, we're gonna use this function to do it. This one, we call it free modeling. Okay, select the free modeling here. Okay, then simply draw. Just simply draw. We draw one rectangle first. Okay, draw one rectangle here. The rectangle scale I want it 2800. Then I skip it to tab. Click on tab. Okay, I put 1200 first. Okay. Okay, undo Control Z. Redraw again. 2008. Then tab 1200. Ooh. Okay, never mind, I simply draw one. Okay, because this one I need I draw one line first. Start with here. Okay, one line here, blue line, make sure blue line. Okay, then we copy it. Okay, I use this method M shift. Okay, move it like 50, because the panel almost look like 50. Then the hole I give it 100, so I will M shift again, select it, M shift again, so, move it 100. Okay, then I'll copy the line also. This one, M shift, copy the line, or select here, copy here. Okay, then I will also control, select these two lines, 1, 2. Then M shift again, copy the line to here, 1. Then control select the line also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M shift, okay, copy here until here. Okay, so this one let me calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'll roughly do 9 now it's 5. Now it's 5, so I copy another 4 banner here. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Hold control, remember. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and shift. Okay, here another 4. Okay, then I'll just complete the line. Okay, remember it's just a line only, simple as that. Draw the line here, right click, draw the line, here, right click. Okay, so this one becomes a face, then becomes a face thing. Make sure the line is correct, or else cannot. So copy the line. Okay, I think my line are not correct, because this one, suppose we have something like this. Okay, so I will draw one line again, or just make sure it's correct. Endpoint to the endpoint, right click. This one is correct. See that the different. Okay, so I'll copy the line also. This one, M shift. Okay, copy the line here, 50 for the banner. Okay, so here if the banner area I don't want, I delete. Okay, I don't want, I delete. This one I don't want, delete. Okay, refer back to the picture. Yeah, this one all is banner, so I'll make them same. Okay, depend on the method so just draw the pattern first. Okay, delete, 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 delete. Okay, and the bottom also do the same thing. Or select the line. Okay, M shift, select the line, M shift, move it okay, 50, okay. Then I select the line also. This one delete, this one delete, this one delete, this one delete, this one. Yeah, now my things start to become alive. Or you see, when you select the face, you got something like this, that means you are in the right direction. Okay. Delete the line. This one is a line only. I will draw out first the pattern, then only draw the line. If anything go wrong, press Ctrl Z. Okay, so you can go back because it's just a line. Okay, or draw it back as you can. Okay. Correct. Okay. Then after you got something like this, right? We draw another one. This one called circle. Okay. Just draw the circle. So usually I will do some measurement on the circle. Here I will measure it. This one to here is 1150. Okay. So I will draw one circle here. Circle. Blah. 1150 divided by 2. Let me do some calculation. Okay. Maybe I move it away a bit. Yeah, here. Okay. So 1150 divided by 2 is 575. So I type 575, enter the radius. Okay, this is the thing. So I'll move it in. This one very important. This step are very important. Or move it in first. Okay. Move. Okay, select it. Move it in. Select item, press M. Now then select it. Okay, middle point with middle point. Okay, move it in first, then you adjust the way you want. Okay, so after that also very simple. Just delete the thing you don't want. Delete it. Okay, like this one, the line, the one you delete it. This one, the space, the one you delete it. I still have the line. Delete it first. Don't make so trouble. Delete it. This one don't want delete it. This one don't want delete it. This one don't want delete it. Delete the line remember, select the line, delete. Okay. After that, very simple. Select the circle. Make it this one we call what? Offset. Okay, offset 50. Okay. Then in here, right in the center, I want to put some glasses, right? So you can see through, transparent. Then I advise you delete also. Okay, because eventually here I will use spanner to make glasses. Free modeling cannot make glasses. Just remember it. Okay. So now I'm gonna exclude them together. But wait a minute, let me double check. Yeah, here also they will link together. So I may just delete here. I'll just double check. Sometimes double check doesn't mean make anything wrong. Or now it's just line only, computer can read. Okay, avoid any wrong, Ctrl Z. Okay, delete the line. Make sure you select correct, delete the line. If you select the wrong line, then your thing may go wrong. This one just one of the method lah. Actually, you can use panel point to do it also. Okay, if you want. So I'll just move it up like 50. Oh, yeah. What? Wait a moment now. Ctrl Z. I don't know what happened just now. Select it. Stretch it. Okay, stretch it up 50. Enter. Okay, yeah, you can see my panel or the wall panel. Okay, so this one I will group it up. Remember when I told you, when you complete the thing, you must group it in case. Okay, then you press M, you can move it. Okay, to locate it, you can use auxiliary locate the error, then put it there. Okay, so I return. Okay, oh my god, Okay, here I need to delete some of the thing. Oh, okay, never mind, go back first because must see through ma. Oh, this one. Okay, ungroup it, select the surface, press delete button. Okay. Make sure I select correctly. Okay, see through, make sure correct, then return. I forget group it. Make sure group it like I usually group it. I don't want avoid any mistake. Okay? Group it, return. So here I will just drag banner, simple banner, material, put there. So refer back to this one, something like red wood. So I'll find the texture first. Loading resources. Okay, let me see which one available. Red color. Let me test this method. Still brooding. Okay, let me check my internet. Okay, okay. So never mind, I drag this button or simply drag one, hold control button, apply all. Okay, after that we complete the banner. Now we're gonna do the glass or this one, the glass. Okay, very simple. You just go for here on this one, custom, then you choose system cabinet. Okay, same thing. Now we're gonna drag this banner first, or go for part, then drag the superboard. Okay, so you must remember this one, the circle, how much first. So I don't remember, never mind, I'll go inside. Okay, then measure again, this time I measure inside because just now is 155, 1000 something, but now I will adjust again. I will use measurement here, endpoint to midpoint. Okay, 1052. Okay, I'll make it 106 lah, or 1060. Okay, so this one I'll make it 1060. The depth also 1060, so that even. Okay, then I will use viewport selection, select it, right click to make them chamfer. Maybe I'll use this button here, also can, since no need to go inside. Select it, chamfer. Radius become how much? Let me do some calculation. Or this one, make sure your maths are good. So 1060 divide by 2. Okay, 1060 divided by 2, 530. So the radius is 530. 530, enter. Then this one, same thing, chamfer it, 530, enter. This one also, select it, 530, enter. Okay, and this one also, select it, 530, enter. So you see this one, the circle, right? Exit the button. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the material first. This material you can upload yourself in here, business center as usual. After that, we in this business center, then we come to here, product, my. Okay, same as how you upload the texture. So I'll upload this texture, and I using printer glass. Or remember, select the material properties to printer glass. So the material will look like glass but with texture. Okay, so follow me, we're gonna go back here. Okay, apply it, choose our material MY, then I choose the pattern. Ta-da. Okay, so this one is a glass, then I will move in here, rotate it X, rotate it 90 degrees, then press Z to move it up. Okay, move it in here, okay, up like this, then move it up here, then move it up here, okay, then move it up here, move it up here a bit. Perfect. Okay, exit. So after you render, it will become something like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.